Oh, hey, sorry. Had my head in the clouds there. Not daydreaming, just thinking about how complex cloud environments can be. Moving to the cloud is great for cutting costs and scaling, but managing it, not so simple. That's where Lucid's Cloud Accelerator comes in. It streamlines data imports, brings powerful cloud visualization, and integrates seamlessly into your Lucid suite workflows. Let me show you what I mean. Importing and sharing cloud data has never been this streamlined. From the Cloud Accelerator homepage, import data from AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Simply register your credentials, whether for your entire organization or individual accounts, and select the resources you need. The import runs in the background so you can continue working without interruption. When you're ready to visualize everything, just click Create New Model. Now you're ready to see the cloud. Follow the setup prompts to generate your cloud visuals. When they're ready, you'll get a notification. Just open your model and start exploring. Switch between views like Infrastructure, VPC Topology, and Security Groups to get the full picture of your cloud environment. The Cloud Accelerator automatically pulls in resource metadata, so you can focus on what matters most. Customize your views by dragging in additional cloud resources to complete the picture. Apply manual layout for full control. And use conditional formatting to highlight key insights, like flagging unencrypted volumes with a caution symbol. Keeping your cloud up to date? Well, that's easy too. With just 2 steps, your models will always reflect the latest cloud information. Schedule automatic updates in the Data Hub, and then sync your models here to keep your visuals fresh. But cloud visualization is just the start. You also need a way to plan future cloud projects, review changes, and track deployment tasks. That's where Lucidchart and Lucidspark come in. In Lucidchart, use shape libraries to refine your diagrams or design future states. In Lucidspark, collaborate with your team on brainstorming, reviews, and development tasks. For example, use a template in Lucid Cards to assign tasks, track decisions, and turn plans into action. Now that you've seen how it works, it's time to try it for yourself. Import your data and start visualizing your cloud workflows today.